Hey guys, Baby TNT here. Sorry, let me just set my timer. Sorry about the beeping. Here we go. So last time on Iron Man mode, still dark outside, we found what appears to be a cave. I have two different opinions on caves. This is the bad kind of cave. I don't like it. It scares me, guys. It scares me. I want to go down there, though. If I'm gonna get, like, owned by a creeper or something. Oh my god. There we go. Or, nope, that's a zombie, that's a zombie, that's a zombie. I heard a zombie. I didn't see it, but I heard it, and it scared me half to death. Do you guys see any zombies? Because I can't. I'm like Dora, guys. Can you see the zombies? I hear them, I just can't see them. Where are these little boogers? Come here. Dwarf. I saw more iron back here. Of course. First night, Billy's cave. Shut up! Who's making that noise? Oh my god. So I'm kind of just using my torches. Trying to find where these zombies are. That is a skeleton. Run, 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 run. Not gonna stop yelling run until I get out of here. Run, 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 run. Where's my sword? Oh my god. Run. Run. I'm scared, guys. Scared. Well, I got some iron out of it, so it's not all bad. Wrong iron. Come on, iron. No. Precious iron. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Stop making those noises. God, I'm gonna kill them. Come here, you little booger. Ah, that's stuffing. Hi. Go, 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 go away, go away, go away. Go away, go away. I got arrows, guys. Well, there goes the annoyance. New technique. Yell. Go away, go away, go away. While you try to kill a skeleton. I'm afraid creepers just can come out of freaking nowhere and just blow me up. I'm lagging, sorry, I pressed the fog button. Well, gotta face my fears and take on the skeleton, I guess. Shut up. Don't even moan at me. Where are you, skelly? Whoop! Whoop! It's like a creeper. Comes out of freaking nowhere. Go away, go away, go away, go away, go away. Run, 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 run. I need pork, I need pork, I need pork. Go away, zombie. You have no friends. So I heard a oink and I heard a... It's daytime outside? Oh. By the way, that skeleton I killed just gave me absolutely enough and no crap I needed. So I'm just gonna block up that hole because I'm scared of that hole now. What do I need this iron for? I'm wasting it. Bam! I look sexy. I'm too afraid to go out there now because I have such low health on Iron Man mode. Shut up! No moving when I'm talking. That cow, I'm gonna kill it if it moves one more time. Shut up! Oh my god. I'm just waiting for that cow to move again. Where are you? Stop moving. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Got my iron helmet. Got my armor sword. I need daylight to come. Come on, daylight. Do, 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 do. What to do with this sapling? I wonder if I can make it. I'm trying something that no one has ever tried. I'm hoping it works. Nope, you cannot make a tree like that. I'm not stupid, don't worry. Don't worry, I'm not stupid. So, might as well go mining. For some iron. Mine in the cave, but stay away from the dark parts of the cave. I'll mine here. And of course, a zombie. I don't know where it is, but I'm killing it next time I hear it. Where are my torches? I'm out of torches. Guys, I'm gonna go get some more torches. I probably annoyed the crap out of everyone who was watching this video just then. Well, there's a zombie out there, so it's not burning yet. Do, 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 do. There's a pig, and I have coal and I have charcoal, so gonna have to cook that meat. Gonna nom nom up it up. Got my iron helmet. Got my iron sword. Waiting for everything to come day. And there's still zombie out there, so it's not fully day yet. Now it looks like fully day. Whoa! Whoa! Wait for it to die. It was just waiting for me, like, oh my. Not the only thing I'm scared of, right? Die! I think it died, guys. Next time I see like a creeper or something, I'm just gonna flip attack. There's that goddamn cow. What time is it? Well, usually I said surviving the first night was easy, but that was not easy. Like, the first, like, God, it's just that stupid cave attacking me from behind. Yes, cave attack me. Come on, pork. I'm gonna drown if I stand here too long. You know what? Screw the pork. Screw the food. I'm taking down this cow. I told you guys it was annoying and I need to deal with it. Come here, Jeffrey. That's your name. Stop moving when I'm talking! What did I tell this friggin' cow? I saw the total overreaction with that cow. Okay, holding down shift so I don't fall and kill myself. Or is this the cow? Don't freaking know what I'm talking. Saw what I did to your brother over there. What? Mother. God damn it. I'm a cow tripper. What's with all these cows? Mooing when I'm talking. Go away, there's two of them. Gotta mix it. And it moved. Oh my. Rule number 1 of Minecraft. Kill all cows. What in the name of hell? Oh my freaking god. I didn't do this, viewers. I did not do this. I may be stupid, but I didn't do this. We got a minute left. Daylight. And I'm just rampaging all over cows. But I'm not falling in lava or else I'm dead. I didn't do that, viewers. Trust me. I didn't do that. Get snake face. So where are these goddamn pigs? That's the sheep over there. I haven't seen any chickens and I've seen one pig, but it died and didn't give me any shit. Shut up! Everyone's gotta stop doing their thing when I'm talking. This is a nice view right here. So now I'm lost looking for my home and some pork because I heard a spider. Guys, I heard a spider. Spiders don't attack during the day, so I'm safe. Oh, delicious pork. Just what I need. Thank you, pigs. Don't you run from me, boy. I want your pork. Don't you fall. You freaking fall. Don't push me. Don't you goddamn push me. What? That spider's scaring me. Ugh. Lovely pork. Lovely. The pork of hope, guys. The pork of hope. I'm going to call the video Stop Moving when I'm talking. Because I hate it when they do that. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the timer. Gotta go. I'm gonna post this. But first, you can watch me nom nom nom. Dun, nom nom nom. Okay, bye guys.